Some might think, oh, let's do the sides first. I particularly like to do the top first, which allows us to slide in the sides after without scratching anything. It's just a better approach, but we can still lap it properly. I'll show you how to do that. We're using a J-mold garage door trim. The reason why we use this is it hooks onto the face of the wood frame, and it holds itself on rather than having to screw it. This is where we put the screw on that 90-degree flange back there. No visible screws, which is very nice.